So if you want to activate dark theme for YouTube in your Windows PC, this is how you go about it. You actually have two methods which are very easy. The first one, you click on the icon, this one. So you go all the way to appearance. If you click on this arrow, you have three options. You can use device theme, or you can just pick between these two. So if you want dark theme, you just click on dark theme. The same thing goes for if you want to have a light theme. So let's go back to light theme. So the second method is you click on your avatar, go to appearance, make sure this is checked. You click on use device theme. So if you have that on, you go to your computer, right click on the desktop, click on personalize, go to themes, and then you click on color. You can choose any that you want. If for example you want to use dark theme in your Windows PC, automatically that will reflect in your YouTube. So you go back to your YouTube and you have dark theme. So you go back to your Windows PC, change it to light, and automatically this will change to light theme.